guys, in today's video we're gonna see how to leave a link to our email in an HTML page, because sometimes when we're creating a blog or an HTML page, all we want to do is to leave our email at the bottom of the page to the user or to the reader so that they can email us or send us a message.
So to create a link to our email, we're going to use the same tag that we used before for links, and which is the A tag, like this, A tag. So we have just opened it, and we gotta close it now, like this, okay? And then we're gonna use the href attribute, and then in between these double quotes, we're gonna use the mail to. So mail to is to define the email address to which we're gonna send the message. So here we're gonna send the message to this email address, which is dreambig.fr@gmail.com, like this. And then once we have finished, we gotta add something in the space between the opening tag and the closing tag, like for example, email me, like this, exactly the same syntax that we have used for links, to create a link to our favorite website, for example. So let's save everything, and then let's go to our browser. We're gonna try to open our HTML file with Google Chrome, like this. And then you see here we have the link which says email me. So once we click on this link, it's gonna take us to the email page. So let's click now to see what we're gonna get. You see, so the email address that you have written in the HTML code is already written here on the email box. So all what you gotta do is to type your text here, your body text, and then click on send and send it. But we can do something more fun, which is like here, for example, if you see, we don't have any subjects. So the subjects could be anything, like for example, HTML step by step. So we can add this subject to our HTML code, so that once we click on the email me link, once it is opened, so we're going to have this, which is written by default, plus the subjects which will be written also by default. So let's try this. Okay, let's get back to our editor. And how do we do that? How do we add the subject to our email? So we're going to add a question mark, like this. Okay, and we're going to write subject, like this, equals to, let's say something like email HTML course. Okay, let's save everything and go back to our browser, refresh, and then click on email me. So you see, if you notice here, we have already our subjects, which is already written for us. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked it. If so, give us a thumb up and don't forget to share my videos.